Hey, this is Dave Wise. We're looking at a 1976 Chrysler New Yorker Brougham with 60,000 original miles. This is an extremely clean vehicle. Clearly has been well maintained its entire life. As you can see, the wear tags are still in place. The electronic lean burn system is still there. Not sure if it's working, but it's there. Vacuum hose routing, headlight decal, emission control information, 400 cubic inch. The trim tag, CS23 N6C. Interesting detail, you can still see the writing of the engine code. Looks like a WS on that side, 660 on the edge of the rocker cover. The original spark plug wires, first quarter 76. Original voltage regulator still in place. Original hoses, original ignition coil, original cap. Everything under this hood appears to be completely original. Electronic ignition is most likely changed. Paint runs on the edge of the hood. This is a great reference for anybody that's restoring a 1976 New Yorker Brougham. Even still has the original hood ornament. If you like this content on Mopars, where we look at the various details that are mostly overlooked or lost to history, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, comments, please reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you.